Okay, so today we've got a Noco GBX155. It's completely dead. I've just plugged it in and there are no signs of life. Let's turn it over and have a look. As you can see, I've got the USB plugged in here. Let's take it out so we can flip it over. Let's put some power back in. And we've got no lights. Power button doesn't respond. It's completely dead. The meter is out of focus, but we're drawing 0 amps, even though we're providing just over 5 volts to the Noco. Let's flip it back over. I'm going to put the power back in via the USB socket. And we're going to do some voltage tests. Hopefully you can see the reading on my multimeter. I'm just going to check that that 5 volts is actually getting into the circuit board. Okay, and hopefully you can see that we've got 5 volts that's clearly entering the circuit board. See if I can get a more solid reading. And there we go, 5.1 volts. So, next steps. Let's check the voltage across the battery. Get my multimeter back into focus so you can see. And hopefully you can see that, but we're getting just under 3 volts at the battery, which 2.7 volts to be exact, which clearly isn't good. Okay, so we eventually disassembled the Noco GBX155 that we had and found that the batteries were indeed flat. So what we did was bypass the charging circuit and added some voltage to the batteries. This appeared to bring the Noco back to life. As you can see, let's turn it on. The Noco does turn on. Let's test the boost circuit. The boost circuit appears to work fine. As you heard the relay click. However, let's verify by testing the voltage across the clamps. There you can see on the multimeter we've got a nice solid 15 volts, so the boost circuit does indeed work. Let's deactivate the boost. Testing the torch light. Torch light on its different modes appear to work fine, SOS. And it's all good. Now we deliberately edited the part about bypassing the charging circuit to recharge the batteries, as this can be quite dangerous, particularly for DIYers. If this is something you're interested in, we suggest you do your own research and make sure if you do decide to do so safely, as batteries aren't no joke, particularly these batteries. They are quite powerful. They can cause an explosion which can lead to injury or damage of property. So be careful. Okay, hope you found this one useful and see you again in the next one.